Have you ever asked yourself, why am I like this? Why do I overthink every message? Or why does your partner disappear the moment things get serious? Or maybe, why are you the one running away? Well, my dear emotional detective, welcome to the world of attachment styles, where the way you give and receive love is basically coded in your brain like a childhood trauma playlist. Today, we are breaking down why you love the way you do, why your partner acts like they're auditioning for a toxic relationship movie. I just started, all right? And most importantly, how to fix it. I just said I love you, and he responds with hey. What's the meaning of hey? Does he not love me anymore? Did I do anything? What is? How does somebody respond to I love you with hey? Not even hey love or hey darling or hey I love you too. That's wrong. I must have done something. As if falling out of love with me. Did he meet somebody else yesterday? Welcome to Fidessa. You may want to call a friend or two because it's about to get real. Okay. Okay, let's start with the basics. There are 4 attachment styles and they explain why some people are clingy, while others act like love is a scam, and why some people are just chilling. Number 1, the secure attachments. That is the relationship goal. They communicate openly. They don't panic if you take 2 hours to respond. They are very patient. The patient dog, in this case, eats the fattest bone. Sometimes the patient dog does not eat anything, but this one will eat the fattest bone. They know how to give love and receive love without acting like it's a war zone. I see a war coming, war coming. No, it's not a war zone. Now, if this is you, congratulations. Your childhood was stable and we are jealous. Number 2 is the anxious attachment. The are we okay crew? Are we okay? Is everything okay? Did I do something wrong? Are we okay? Yeah, that's it. They overthink everything, every emoji, every text delay. They need constant reassurance or they spiral. Their worst fear is being abandoned. The third is the avoidant attachment. I call them the emotional escape artist. What is this one calling? I beg. You may block him. They like their space. The moment things feel too emotional, they disappear like a WhatsApp status. Ooh, okay. They do not do vulnerability at all. Vulnerability is not in their dictionary at all. If you ever texted, I just need time, when you actually just didn't want to talk about feelings, hello, avoidant king and queen. Where am I? Where on sir? Number 4 is the fearful avoidant, the walking contradiction. Should I text this one or should I ghost? Because at this point, my feelings matter. If I text now, she may start thinking that. If I text now, you may start thinking that maybe I'm really into him. I mean, I like him, but I think I'm just gonna ghost. I'll just ghost. Ghost, I think. I'm gonna ghost. Block. They want love but are scared to love. They are clingy today and distant tomorrow. Talk about bread crumblers. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Yeah. Their emotions, roller coaster. Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions. Welcome to the fearful avoidant. Dating someone like this is emotional gymnastic training. I don't envy you at all. But hey, good luck. Okay. Good luck. No. Good luck. Yes, that's straight. Good luck. How these styles affect relationships. I mean, why your relationship feels like a telenovela. Let's cut to the chase. Let's talk about what happens when the styles collide in relationships. Because some of you are dating on expert mode. Anxious and avoidant, I like to call them the entertaining chaos. Because I don't want to say chaos. Because there's some people who are anxious and avoidant that are still thriving in their relationship. But I'll call you guys the entertaining chaos. Why aren't you texting back? Why are you suffocating me? Yeah, this one, disaster. Secure plus literally anyone, relationship goals. Hey, they set boundaries, they communicate, they do not allow you to spiral. Find yourself a secure partner, or better still, become one. Fearful avoidant plus anyone, emotional gymnastics. I don't need to block. Let me unblock. Do I text? Maybe I should. I don't know anymore. Blocked. They push you away, then pull you back in. They want closeness, but they're also scared of closeness. It's a different type of delulu. The truth is, you would never know where you stand with these type of people. Dating them, tiring. Whew. Dang. How to fix your attachment style. Now that we have dragged everybody like a tiger generator, here is how to fix it. Because yes, attachment styles can change. If you're anxious, work on self-validation. Affirmations would work perfectly for you. The truth is, not every delayed text message means a breakup. Some people are actually busy. If you're avoidant, start practicing small moments of vulnerability. You won't die. Trust me, you will not faint. If you're fearful avoidant, therapy. Yep, that's the tweet. And if you're secure, stay winning. We love you. Your attachment style isn't a life sentence. You can learn, heal, and build healthier relationships. Love isn't just about who you date. It's also about who you are in a relationship. Fix yourself first. Now tell me, which attachment style do you relate with the most? And have you survived dating an avoidant? Let's talk in the comments. And now if you love this video today, you know the CTA, do not forget to like, to comment, to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe, and of course share with friends, family, frenemies, whoever you think might need this content. I'm sure everybody does, by the way. And of course turn on post notifications so when I upload my next video, you are the first to be notified. Thank you so much for your support so far. Until I come your way again, I remain Fidessa. It is bye for now. Mwah. Bye-bye.